Okay, let's have a quick look. These chargers, PowerLab series, come with a user preset menu. So all you have to do is select the function that you like, press enter, and you're good to go. 3 basic charging modes with the traditional GPKO balance adapter, which can be used on Hobby King, REVOLECTRIX, and most of, about 80% of the batteries in the market these days. 1 adapter board, 1 charging port, 1 battery at a time. Yeah. We also have the Npa Adapter, which allows you to charge 6 batteries at the same time. Plug it into your power port, plug it into your balancing port, and you're good to go. The last one we developed is a SPA adapter board, which only has 1 socket connector for JST XH batteries. REVOLECTRIX, Thunder Power, almost 80% of the market, as I said. 1 adapter board can do up to 8S batteries on the 1 charger. So any of these 3 is available to you on any of our combos on our website. I'll get into more details on how to use each one next. So this is our PL8, straight out of the box, comes with EC5 connectors already done for you. You'll need a hefty power supply, at least 1,000 watts at 24 volt output to get full power out of this baby. So just connect her up and go. So let's power her up. 24 volt on the output of the power supply, straight into your charger, and we are on. And you can actually scroll through the user menu and see the presets as we're ready to go. Okay. Upon starting, it actually asks you to set your power supply source. For example, we have 24 volt, 50 amps. You have to set your power supply source in here. So power supply, I'm going to actually use a DC power supply, enter, and we are good to go to charge batteries. Okay. So we take our battery setup, number 1, positive to positive, negative to negative, and we'll take a 6S 3300s pack as an example, plus to plus, whoops, minus to minus, that does happen. And we connect our balancing port to the JST XH connector and the balancing port into our charger. Okay? So now running through the charger, we have a variety of options. Number 1 is accurate charge. Number 2 is fast charge. Okay? And number 3 is high power, which is charging over 10 amps. Okay? So the first 2 is limited to below 10 amps. Going further, we have long life charging, which only charges to 4.1 volt per cell per pack, which extends actually the life of your battery. Okay. Option 5, small balance charging, 1 and 2S LiPo storage charge is option 7, and then we go into LiFePO4, 8123 chemistries, which is option 8, 9, 10, and so forth until you get to nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, and lead acid towards the bottom. Okay. My favorite, just go to option 1, accurate charge, press enter. It asks you, are you doing parallel packs? In this case, no. Okay. Set the charging current A1.0C, automatic rate. I like to let the smarts of the charger do its own work. Set the discharging rate if you like. Start. I have 4 options. Charge only, cycle monitor, which is checking the battery, and also discharging and cycling. Okay, so we go to charge only, press enter. It asks you, am I using banana jacks? In this case, yes. It's checking the pack. It confirms LiPo, and you're good to go. It does everything else for you. Okay, so if you're one of those guys that's always in a hurry and you want to charge your LiPo as fast to get out into the field, you probably want one of these Npa boards that allows you to charge up to 6 batteries at the same time, but warning, you have to be of the same S count. Okay? But in order to use that on any of our PowerLabs, there's just one small setting we have to change first. We have to put the charger in XH mode, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay? Now you can see on the charger, if you press increment and decrement together, it will go into the options menu. Okay? So we just scroll down into charger options, enter, Primary channel, yes. DC power supply we are on. And we ask for node connection, FMA wiring or XH mode. Now FMA wiring is when you use the standard GPKO or TPPQ adapter boards. When we're on the SPA connector or the Npa connector, we just select up or down, move into XH mode, save, and you're good to go. Okay. Now let's connect our Npa board in, plus to plus, minus to minus, balancing port into there, and of course we'll connect 1 to 6 of our batteries of the same S count again into our Npa board, and it's the same procedure as before. So we've connected our balancing port into the right socket of our Npa board. We just take from the power connection from the DINs, plus to plus, okay, minus to minus. You can of course wire up your own sockets with your own correct connectors depending on what type of battery you are using, and you can run up to 6 at the same time, right? Same again, my preference is option 1. Am I charging parallel packs? In this case it automatically says no, but if I'm using up to 6, you select up to 6 packs depending on how many you are using. Okay. Set the charge rate. I like automatic mode as well again. And what am I doing? Charging, just checking for the pack, confirm LiPo, and 6S pack, you are good to go. So our latest option is actually the SPA adapter board, which is the simplest and cheapest of all our boards. One battery at a time, but you can gain charging in parallel if you are required. We have the XH connector on the top here. We'll take 2 to 8S XH battery connector of any size in the one socket. So you just plug it into the PowerLab charger, line up your negative pin to the correct socket. Everything is okay. Back to the user menu. Generic again, automatic charge rate. Start charge. Checking the pack, LiPo, 6S pack, automatic charge rate. It's good to go.